Now let's create an Assured Workloads folder via console. Go to the search bar and search for Assured Workloads and select the Assured Workloads option. If you get an error message like this, you will need to grant an IAM role called Assured Workloads Administrator to the user that's trying to create the Assured Workloads folder. The way to do this is go to Understanding Roles and paste the permission that is missing, and it will list all the roles that has that permission present in it. So in GCP, a role is a list of permissions. I have granted myself Diana@ctechacademy.com Assured Workloads Administrator role. Now this will help me view the Assured Workloads page. So in the Assured Workloads page, click the Create option, or you can go to the project selector and choose the three dots on your top right and select Manage Resources. Both those options will bring you to the Create Folder section where you can create the compliant folder. Name your folder. I've named my folder as US Regions, and choose a location. Your location can be a root node. In this case, it can be ctech-academy.com, or it can be another folder. In my case, I've chosen a folder instead of my root and hit Next. Choose a control package. You have the option of choosing from any of the three control packages, which is regional control, regulatory control, or sovereign control. You can click the drop down of each of the control to see the different options. As you can see, the regulatory control lists options like CJIS, FedRAMP Moderate, FedRAMP High, and so on. Same thing with your sovereign controls. In my case, I've chosen US region as my regional control and my resource location to be US Central 1. In the additional settings section, give a name for your CMEC project. CMEC is nothing but Customer Managed Encryption Keys to manage your assured folders, a project ID, and then a key ring name. And then choose your billing account. Review the details and hit Create. As you can see, your US regions assured folder is created. Now, if you select the project selector, you can see your US regions folder is created under Assured Workloads subfolder under the root node. Now choose the US regions folder that you just created. Go to the jurisdictional console, which is console.us.cloud.com, and then select organization policies to view all the organization policies applied automatically as part of this compliant folder creation. Let's take a look at one of the policies called Resource Location Restriction. This policy allows you to only create resources in the US Central region, and we've restricted to only US Central 1. Let's take a look at the Restrict Resource Service Usage policy. This policy allows you to only use the APIs that are allowed by this policy within the projects under your US region's Assured Workload folder. Any other APIs that's outside of this listed policy will be blocked. Here we have filtered out all the active policies applied on the US regions folder. And there you go, your Assured Workload folder is created and ready for use.